Hi friends, and welcome back to another lesson with me. We'll be focusing on adjectives, and I have a really fun activity lined up for us. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at all these words on the board, and we're going to circle all the words we think are adjectives. So let's do a quick scan of each of these words and decide which of them are adjectives and which of them aren't. Let's start at the top. Hat. Hat. Do you think hat is an adjective, a describing word? It's not. So instead of circling the adjectives, what we're going to do is we're going to eliminate all the words that aren't adjectives, so that all we're left with is adjectives. So hat is not an adjective, so we're going to put an X through it. Awesome. Cold. Do you think cold is an adjective? That's right, it is. Why? Because it describes something, whether it's a weather, food, or anything like that. Let's carry on. Bright. Do you think bright is an adjective? Yes. Why? Because it's a describing word. Awesome. You guys are doing so good. Let's move on. Bank. Do you think bank is an adjective? Does bank describe something? Look carefully. It does not. So we're going to put an X right through it. Let's carry on. Happy. Do you think happy is an adjective? That's right. Happy is an adjective. So we're going to keep this here. Grass. Grass. Do you think grass is an adjective? Can you use grass to describe something? No. So we're going to X it out. Burger. Do you think burger is an adjective? Can you use burger to describe something? It's not, so we're gonna put an X right through it. Let's carry on. Pretty. Do you think pretty is an adjective? Yes. Why do you think it's an adjective? Because it describes something. It can describe something. Awesome. Let's carry on. Huge. Do you think huge is an adjective? That's right, huge is an adjective. Baby. Do you think baby is an adjective? Baby is an adjective. So we're gonna leave this right here. Ice. Do you think ice is an adjective? It's not an adjective. In fact, it's more of a noun than it is an adjective. So we're gonna also cross this out. Let's carry on. Going. Do you think going is an adjective? That's right, going is not an adjective. If anything, it's a verb. Clouds. Do you think clouds is an adjective? No, clouds can't be an adjective because clouds is a noun. Brown. Do you think brown is an adjective? Yes, it is. So we're going to keep it right here. Sunny. Do you think sunny is an adjective? That's right, sunny is an adjective because it describes the weather. On. Do you think on is an adjective? No, on is actually a preposition. Girl. Do you think girl is an adjective? Yes, because it describes a gender. So you can either be a girl or a boy. Awesome. Rich. Do you think rich is an adjective? Yes, it is. Expensive. Do you think expensive is an adjective? Yes, it is. Why? Because it describes something. It is telling us that something is expensive. Over. Do you think over is an adjective? No. Why? Because over is a preposition. Last two, guys, and then it's a wrap. Fragile. Do you think fragile is an adjective? Yes, it is. Fragile describes something. You can have a fragile person, a fragile fruit, fragile flowers. So yes, fragile is an adjective. Last but not least, light. Do you think light is an adjective? As in the light? Light could be an adjective depending on the context you're using it in, but I'm referring to the actual light that you switch on. So no, light is not an adjective in the sense, but if you're using it to refer to something that is bright, that is clear, then light would be an adjective. Awesome, guys. Thank you so much for joining me on this exercise where we deciphered adjectives and we also brought in a few other parts of speech into this lesson. So see you guys again next time. Bye.